Hey, this is Gavin with WSI. And in a previous video Philip shot, we were talking about packing options for wells that are experiencing high temp and sour service. And what we both forgot is that we had an actual sample of what that looks like. We meant to put that in the video and we didn't. So we're going to just add that to this video. So if you're interested in that, that's kind of what we're going to be talking about here. So what this is a BOP ram that was on the well for approximately 4 to 6 weeks, and it ended up being an area where they had a high concentration of H2S and CO2. And you can see what this looks like. So if you get into a situation where you're pulling your packing or you're pulling your BOP rams, and if you're not familiar, this BOP ram would have been sitting directly below the stuffing box where this packing would have been above it. This is what that kind of looks like. So you can see how it's ate away the rubber. It hasn't really chunked out because of heat. This is a chemical issue, or a sour service issue, I should say. Sometimes some chemical programs can react to the rubbers in a certain way, so you could also be something to think about and check and make sure there hasn't been some drastic change on your chemical program that could be causing you to have some issues with your BOP rams and stuffing box rubbers or any other O-rings or seals you'd have in the well. But we want to give you an idea of what that looks like. So if you see something like this coming out of your stuffing box or your rod BOP, you're going to want to go with an HSN Packing, which is a highly saturated nitrile, which is actually infused in the rubber. It's not anything that we add to it. We order it when we make it at the rubber shop. It is actually, the rubber's got it in there. It's not anything we add to it. So the raw rubber comes with it. And it just gives it a lot more ability to resist those sour services. Your other good options are your polymers, because they are solid. They don't absorb like rubber does. And so they're really good in the sour service environments too. But if you see something like this, don't just chunk it up to whether it's ours or even one of our competitors' products, that it's a manufacturing thing, it's a problem. You know, every once in a while something like that could happen with somebody. But stop, take a look at it, give one of us a call, touch out to your supply stores, your pump shops. They can get in contact with us too, and just look into it a little bit deeper and don't just chalk it up to, oh, it's a failure. You could have something going on with your well that you actually need to step up your rubber product that you're running. So like our videos, subscribe to us please, or like our YouTube channel I should say, because we're releasing videos all the time. We'll also have a link at the end of this video where you can reach out to us if you're interested in having a training. We'll come out and do those, or if you just want some more product information. So we appreciate your time today. Work smart, stay safe, make your connection with WSI.